Kevin, how you eat spring roll? He's gonna get full because he just ate noodles too.
Yeah.
You're not in it, it's okay.
Why not?
Haven, you full? No. You.
Wrong?
Big boy.
Đưa tiếp tục đi.
Ra cho nhầm thơ.
Mày, đưa em nè. Nó đây.